Introducing the 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe. This vehicle still has fewer than 50,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Relax and enjoy the road trip in this convenient, well-equipped Santa Fe. Crossover versatility, striking looks, the latest infotainment and safety tech, and a spacious, comfortable cabin are yours in this stylish, family-focused SUV. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, fog lamps, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, rear spoiler, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, daytime running lights, auxiliary audio input, cruise control. Get the comfort, features, and style you deserve. This Santa Fe is waiting to take you places. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.